Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Cody Kidd. I'm one of the sales and leasing consultants here. Let's go outside so I can show you one of our newest arrivals. Here we have our 2013 Hyundai Sonata Limited. Comes equipped with power heated outside mirrors with integrated turn signals, chrome door handles, chrome window trim, solar control glass. This Hyundai Sonata is an excellent choice thanks to its sharp styling, class-leading comfort, generous features, and overall value. This Sonata has 17-inch alloy wheels with all-season tires with lots of tread left. There's also a spare tire, splash guards, and tire pressure monitoring system for convenience and safety. As you can see, the Hyundai Sonata is in great condition. It has projector headlights with auto on-off, along with fog lights, speed-sensitive wipers, and a really nice dark chrome grille with iconic Hyundai emblem to tie it all together. Under the hood, you have a 4-cylinder 2.4-liter engine with automatic transmission. This Sonata is front-wheel drive and is estimated the driver received an impressive 28 miles per gallon on average. Let's not forget that this Sonata has only 32,401 miles on it. At the back of the Sonata, you can see the antenna along with large brake lights and sleek chrome badging. Using your key fob, you can operate the trunk lid for easy access to the cargo area. Looking into the cargo area, you can see it's very spacious, and the back seats fold down for more space as needed. This cargo area also features cargo lights for packing and unpacking at night. In the back seat, you'll notice that this Sonata has been very well taken care of. Passengers can utilize fold-down armrests with cup holders, as well as seat back storage. These seat backs are even heated, and there are child safety door locks for peace of mind. In the front of the cabin is well appointed with nice piano black and chrome interior accents. Driver and passengers alike will feel very comfortable in the adjustable heated leather seating. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and a power outlet. This Sonata is also equipped with a garage door opener, locking glove box, and push button start. Here are some easy reach controls for the power side mirrors, internal trunk release, power door locks, power windows with pin protection, and driver one touch up and down. The Sonata is very comfortable, tilt telescoping leather wrap steering wheel with on-wheel controls for cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It's also equipped with a very well lit instrument cluster. Now here's a feature anyone can enjoy: the power tilt sliding moonroof. The center stack is home for your entertainment and features 7 speakers. This includes your classic AM/FM radio with CD player, MP3, XM, and Bluetooth compatibility. You can easily connect devices using USB or auxiliary ports. You'll also have a dual zone climate control, and everything you see here is very easy to use. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at our website, sparkstoyota.com.